And we've seen GEVO Inc. go from around $6 per share up to $11 per share, back down to $8 per share, and finally it closed above $9 per share today. So we've seen a lot of volatility behind this stock, and there's a lot of news that has been driving this volatility. And if you're not well aware of it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're going to talk a little bit about the news behind it, but more importantly, where this stock can go in the future and whether or not it's something that should be in our portfolios in 2021. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button, and if the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. And if you like the video, please, if you share it on StockTwits, make sure to tag me there as well, @ClayBro. So we're going to be talking about GEVO Inc. in this video. We'll go over a little bit about what they do and where this stock price can go in the future. So if you're not aware of what GEVO Inc. does, they create both gasoline and jet fuel with zero net emissions, and the only leftover byproduct is usable animal feed. So this is a huge innovation in the clean energy space, and we believe that clean energy is going to take off in 2021 because there's a lot of new money behind it from the new administration here in the United States, but there's also a lot of people getting behind clean energy. And the more infrastructure that we see being built and the more people we see behind this sector, there's going to be big gains available, and we should all be taking advantage of them. So if you want a little bit more information, you can go ahead and click on this right here and get a little bit more information from the previous videos we've done. But let's talk about this stock price and kind of where it could go if it breaks through resistance. So we know that we were around $11.20 per share, and then GEVO Inc. announced a secondary stock offering, which brought the share price down to roughly around $8.60 per share, and we saw it increase about 7% today. Now the stock closed around $9.30, and we were able to recover 7% on today's trading alone. But what do we really want to see? If we pull the chart out to a 5-year graph, we can see that this stock's been trading lower and lower over the last 5 years, but it's been shooting up recently with all of the good news. So if we break the $10, $11, $12 range, we're going to see resistance again at $20 per share. Now this would be a 100% increase from where we're currently trading, so that would be excellent in itself, right? Well, if we break the $20 mark, I'm not saying that this could happen overnight or maybe even within the next month, but if we're able to break the $20 mark, we're not going to see resistance again until $60 per share. So this stock could go up 6 times before it really sees much resistance again if we're able to break through that resistance line right there at $20 per share. So this has me extremely excited that we could get into this stock right now for $9. Yes, it's gone up a lot recently, but in the grand scheme of things, this company is still cheap. They're innovating. They've got a lot going on for them. Their co-founder was just recently named to the science team for the new administration here in the United States. So they've got a lot of recognition recently, and we're really starting to see this stock price move up, and that's exactly what we want to see. So what do we want to do from here? If we see this stock break back above the $11 mark, now, I know a lot of you could think, well, that's already a 10% increase from where we're trading. Shouldn't we just get in now? Well, we could see some resistance at that $11 mark where we had the initial pullback. But we know the reason behind the pullback was that secondary stock offering, and we're already starting to see the bulls get back in charge and lead this stock higher. So once we see it break a new recent high, we might not see resistance again until $20 per share. So this would be an excellent opportunity to get in at that range when it breaks a new high, and we can go even further. Now, this could be, if you're talking about adding a stop loss or a take profit onto your trading system and onto this trade, $20 per share could be an excellent take profit. Now, you always want to go into a trade with your exit criteria in mind. Once you start to open a trade and you think, well, I don't know where I should get out, I don't know where I should take my profit or where I should put my stop loss and things like that, you're going to let emotion creep into the trading plan, and it's not going to be good. So we could first put a take profit around the $20 mark, and that would be an excellent doubling of our money on just that one trade alone. Now, if you believe in the company, if you want to hold it a little longer, and you're thinking, yes, this stock can break through the $20 mark, I would say that we could hold this stock all the way up to $60 per share before we would really have to worry about taking profit again. And that would be a huge increase, a 6x increase on our money on one trade. That would be an amazing deal, and I'm sure a lot of you would be happy. Really, a lot of us would be happy with just doubling our money and making it to the $20 mark, but that $60 mark would make a lot of happy traders. Now, I know a lot of you on this channel already have GEVO Inc. in your portfolios, and you do plan on holding it for the long term. So what do you think? Do you think $20, $60 is too low? Do you plan on holding it even longer than that? Or would you be happy with the $60 mark or the $20 mark? Let us know down in the comments below kind of where you plan on trading it and what you plan on doing with this company in the future. Now guys, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. And if the subscribe button is still red, you got one more shot. Go ahead, click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. And if you liked the video, please feel free to share it on StockTwits, but make sure you tag me there as well, @ClayBro. And until the next time, I hope you guys have an awesome day.